Hey everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something completely different. As you can see, I'm in a different setting than my usual baking videos, and so I wanted to switch it up and do a haul video for you guys. I love watching haul videos and seeing what other people bought, so I figured why not make one of my own. So the first shop I went to was Lululemon. Now obviously all of this was done online. I did not go out into any stores, just for my own safety and the safety of the employees. Most of what I bought was on the We Made Too Much sale because their stuff can be really expensive. They do have a lot of cute stuff on sale. Usually it's like 40% off. I even got some things that were almost 50% off. So it's definitely great to check out any store that you want to buy stuff from. Always check their sale section. You can find some really amazing pieces in sale sections of shops that you might not find in like the regular price stuff that are actually better than the stuff you would find for like regular price. So recently I've started my own personal weight loss journey, and so I've been into more exercising, eating healthy. So I did need some new gym clothes. I had literally nothing. I just had like, you know, Caps t-shirts or basketball t-shirts that I would just wear with like leggings, but now that it's summer, I definitely needed to get a little bit more of the sleeveless tops and really loose tops or breathable like fabric type tops that'll help me work out so I don't feel like I'm overheating. So the first thing I got from Lululemon was this tank top. It was really cute. So I saw this and I immediately knew that my friend had something like this, and she said that it was her favorite workout top. So I'm like, okay, I just have to try it out. And this is another top that I got. I just found this to be really cute. It has kind of like a little cutout at the top. So this is really cute, and I figured I could wear this for working out. I could also wear this just going out because you could easily wear this with jeans on a night out and it'd look really cute. And next I also got this workout top. It's just like a plain white top. And I got two pairs of leggings. So I finally branched out and got a color that wasn't black. I found this nudish type pink, like mauve color. And I was like, oh, this is cute, like I have to try it out. This also is a black, I couldn't help myself and get a black pair of leggings. This I wear literally every day around the house when I work out, so these will definitely be coming in handy. And that is it for Lululemon, and I'm going to move on to American Eagle. So if you don't know, American Eagle is probably my favorite clothing brand by far. Like I own most of my closet is American Eagle tops, American Eagle jeans, American Eagle shorts, skirts, you name it, I probably have it. It's just their clothes just fit so well, and their jean sizes are super consistent, super stretchy, they fit perfectly, and I just love the way they look. Like I am pretty insecure, especially around my stomach area, and when I wear those jeans, it's like out the window. Like I feel great, I look great, and it just is a super confident booster wearing their clothes. So I will probably forever love American Eagle. So what I got was, I got this really cute headband. I actually have one in the background that I got last time I ordered from American Eagle, and this one's kind of like a floral print, super cute. I love these headbands, especially when I'm like doing my makeup or in the kitchen. I just plop one on, gets the hair out of the face, and it's super cute as well. Next I got is a t-shirt that has a little bit of like a, it's kind of cropped, but it's like it has this little tie at the bottom that kind of pulls, gives it a cropped effect without it actually being like a cropped t-shirt. And I got this in another pattern as well. I got it in this kind of pink tie-dye color. And it's like super cute, especially for like every day, just wearing around. And then I got this oversized green tee just because I love oversized shirts. They're just so comfortable to wear pretty much everywhere. You can style it by tucking into jeans. You could, you know, wear it as a pajama. You could wear it pretty much everywhere. So I love these, and I actually did order some more. I think like yesterday or day before, I did put another order in from American Eagle, and I got another one of these in a different print. But those aren't going to make it in time for this video, so if you want me to do another haul video or a haul update video, let me know in the comments below. And it's time to move on to some makeup and skincare. So the first thing I did order was from Sephora. I was in need of some skincare, and so I was looking around, and I remember I had actually gotten my like facial type routine done at Sephora before when I was getting my makeup done, and the lady who was doing it used this, which is the Drunken Elephant Baby Facial. She used this because my skin was so bad. Let me tell you, this basically rescued my skin. I've already used it, and when she put it on, it was tingling at first, a little bit burning, so that is pretty usual with this, but it basically like took off all the dead skin. Like, it basically gave me like a new face. That's how it felt when I looked at myself in the mirror. I'm like, my skin was so clean and so fresh. So when I was looking on Sephora, I'm like, I have to get it. You know, my skin has been going through a rough patch lately, and I've been eating healthy, drinking a lot of water, so I'm like, okay, I might need a little bit of skincare to help me out here. So I got the baby facial. It also came with this little sample of oil. It's their Virgin Marula luxury facial oil that I use after it. I do have oily skin, but I still use this, and it doesn't feel like, you know, my face is like a grease slick. So it's really nice. If you can splurge on this, I would definitely recommend it. So the next thing that I got was from Colored Rain. I got the Queen of Hearts palette. Now, I have been wanting this palette forever. I remember watching Nikki Tutorials, who's one of my favorite YouTubers, do a tutorial using this palette, and I'm like, oh my god, that is gorgeous. So I'm like, I had to get it. But back when I first saw that video, I was a broke high school teenager. So I was like, okay, maybe let me save up for it. Let me see. And, you know, so I finally, you know, how many ever years later, got the opportunity to get it, and it is gorgeous. Like, I'm not even joking. It's prettier in real life. Like, it's beautiful. It's going right here because she's that pretty. And the next few things I got were from Ulta. So I got the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, travel size, because I am looking for a new mascara. I currently have the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes, and it is amazing, but it's so old. Like, I'm not even joking, most of my makeup is probably expired. So I wanted to try this out before buying the bigger version. I also needed a refill on my Anastasia brow definer. I don't fill in my brows that much, because they are naturally pretty big, but when I do have some like bald spots, I use this to just kind of go in and fix it, but I don't do anything too much with it. And the last thing I got was the Scrub of Your Life by Soap & Glory. So they had a deal, buy one get one 50% off, so of course I got two. This scrub, I'm not even joking, best scrub of your life, no question. Like, and it's only like $12.50 I believe. And it's such a good deal. You get so much product, and my bottle has lasted me almost a year now, because I don't use too much either. But this is literally probably the best scrub I've ever used, and I've used a lot, so I definitely recommend this like a lot. So the next thing I got was some stuff from Bath & Body Works. Now, I love their body creams, their body gels, their little refill scents that you plug into the wall. Their scents are amazing, especially their sweet like baking scents. I don't know if it's just because, you know, I'm so used to those scents that I just love it so much, but those are definitely my favorite things to buy from Bath & Body Works. So I got two shower gels. One is this strawberry pound cake, and the other one is margarita cupcake. And I had actually, I know these scents from when I was at Bath & Body Works. I had bought, my favorite scent out of their like cake line is the confetti cake pop. And when I bought that one, I had smelled these, so I know that these were good. And I also got the Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower body cream. Now, I love passion fruit anything. Passion fruit flavored foods, passion fruit scented lotions, scented perfumes, everything passion fruit. Like, I'll just take it all. So when I saw this, I'm like, I have to get it. So the next few things I got were like miscellaneous baking stuff. I also got a water bottle. I've been working out lately, like I mentioned earlier, from Etsy. It's super cute. It says, "May my booty get fatter and my stomach get flatter." And I'm like, this is the motivation I need. It also has the like times that you should be you should have drank by, so like 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. It has like 2 p.m., 3 p.m. on the other side. It's super cute. It has a little refill at the bottom, and I love this. The next few things I got are baking related. So I got some cake boards just because I was running out. These are 10-inch. I usually use 10-inch boards even when I'm making like 6-inch cakes, 8-inch cakes, just because it gives you a little bit more room to hold. I also got these really cute gold boards just for an extra little bit of presentation. I believe these are also 10-inch boards. I also got these little banner cutters. So these are for fondant, gum paste. You can also probably use them for like cookies, but I would use them for gum paste or fondant to make like a little banner where you can say happy birthday, happy anniversary, congratulations, you know, any kind of message that you want to write. I'll use these for. I also got some rectangle and square cookie cutters. I really needed these when I've been trying to freehand a lot of like rectangle designs. I'm sure if you've seen my soccer cake that I made for Father's Day, I tried to freehand the jersey, but it definitely would have been more helpful if I had like a rectangle cutter. So I just went ahead and got these just to make life a little easier. I also went ahead and got some stencils. So now these are like buttercream stencils. You can put it along a cake and use a spatula and put buttercream against it, pull it off, and these damask type patterns on the cake. So I'm like, those look really cute and I would love to try them out. And the last thing of this video that I got were some new shoes. Now, I have been needing some new sneakers for a long time. My current Nikes they were white when I bought them and they are now black. And they are super, super worn through, soles popping out. So I'm like, okay, I definitely need some new shoes. I finally got them. I've been wanting these for like 2 years now, but I've never brought myself to actually buy them. And so I finally went on the website. I'm like, okay, Elizeah, now is your chance. You have to, if you don't buy them now, you're never gonna buy them. So I finally got them, and I got them with a little hollow swoosh. Oh my god, I'm such a holosexual. Thank Christine, Simply Nailogical, for that. This is like so pretty, and yes, it's huge. I'm a size 12 for shoes, but this is just gorgeous, and I can't wait to wear these everywhere and anywhere. And now my only job with these are just to make sure that they don't, you know, get dirty and that they stay as white as possible. If you have any tips for that, by the way, please drop them down below. I would love to know how I can keep these, you know, the color that they are, but also be able to get my good use out of them. And that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. This was my first haul video and I really liked doing it. It felt good kind of just unboxing everything and showing you guys, like sharing it with you guys. If you want more of these types of videos or like lifestyle videos, makeup videos, whatever, just let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with all your friends, turn the bell on, notifications on. I make videos every Monday. And I'll see you guys next time.